So we have decided to join the group of those that rent scooters. So we are going to rent a scooter for the day. It's basically $10, and they actually include the helmets and insurance. And we are going to go looking at waterfalls, I guess. There's quite a few around that we want to go explore, and we could take, like, we can rent a car. I guess you can rent a car, but you can also rent a ride. They'll take you there, but we kind of would want to do it on our own time, and there's a few of them around that we kind of want to jump from spot to spot. So we're going to do that today, and today is a lovelier day, so hopefully the rain holds off. It says this afternoon, so hopefully we can get our visiting done that we want to do, our exploring done before any of the rain hits. So Blair's doing the paperwork, and I will be the passenger / navigator, but looking forward to exploring.
Okay, we just came on, rented a scooter for the day, and it's like, was it $12 with insurance?
Yep.
We just put $3 worth of gas in it, filled it up, so I think we should be good for the day.
Yeah.
So roughly about $15 a day. So this was about 12 kilometers here, 11, 12 kilometers, and we're at our first waterfall. So
Yes, we're at Teganangan.
Yeah.
Waterfall.
So, and the entrance was $6 for both of us, so $3 each. So I think each one of these have a entrance fee. So.
No, I think this was the only one.
Oh, is it?
There it is. Teganangan.
And on the waterfalls, you can see them behind there.
Teganangan. Yeah, it's hard to. I'm pronouncing it wrong. I know that I am.
Yes. Just got to show our ticket here.
Oh.
There's a little market here. Show you guys around. Yeah. Check ticket.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. We're getting closer.
I have been stamped.
You've been stamped. And there's the waterfall down there.
That is so pretty.
Mm-hmm. Yep, let's go down.
There's a little pool here. It's kind of nice, so you don't actually have to go and brave the rapids. I don't know. I just need to cool off.
Yeah, it's hot. Water warm?
We are now at Waterfalls number 2.
Can't show them yet? Okay. Nice spot. Just not sure what I saw it again. Do you remember?
No, I'll lift it. Right there.
Okay.
There you go. Small waterfall.
This is fun here. Oh, this is so wonderful.
Okay, this will be our 3rd waterfall today. And there's the name of it. I'm not going to try and pronounce it. There you go. Better than I could say. It's a long ways down. Right? It's steep. Cool. pretty cool, eh?
Yeah, oh, look at the little one here.
You gonna swing by it?
Dreams take me higher into the blue unknown. Feel the fire burning, heart made of stone. Ride with the wild wind, chasing the endless light. Stars in the black night, fuse to unite. Passion for adventure, living without a rhyme. Crossing the mountains high, playing with time. Roads never traveled, mystery in each turn. Lessons unravel, feel the yearning burn. Eyes on the horizon, courage in every stride. Fear can't divide us, come on, let's go. Passion for adventure, living without a rhyme. Crossing the mountains high, playing with time.
Coming in? It's cool.
It's cool.
Courage in every stride.
Beautiful. And then it's getting fed.
Yeah, from the, from here, and it's flowing down to the river.
Yeah. The grotto back there. This is just so cool.
Right here?
So this is, we're at the rice fields here, walking down to them.
talking rain.
Yeah. Getting damp.
You can hear the river.
So apparently you can do a swing out over. You want to try it?
No,
No?
not even a little bit.
So there's a swing there.
And it's literally a wooden
Over.
swing.
Well, it's tied to two palm trees.
It's a wooden swing.
If
It's
you
not
go
even
first and you're okay, then
yeah, but there's not
then
even
I'll be okay.
number one. No. And number two, there's not even a harness or anything. Oh, I guess there's a harness
Oh,
here. Okay. Still not doing
See?
it.
There's the harness. Then you get to wear a costume.
Yes, that's right, with the flowing skirt.
Okay.
Still not doing it. We do. I think we've done like 10,000 stairs today.
The swing would be quicker.
I'm not doing this swing. See how far down that is? Oh my goodness.
The swing would be quicker.
Hold on. Oh no. Not doing that. That is crazy. That's a long way down.
What a day it was. We covered 75 kilometers on the scooter, chased down 3 stunning waterfalls, powered through a little bit of rain, and somehow managed to clock in over 13,000 steps, most of them up and down endless stairs. Along the way, we wandered through a breathtaking rice terrace and countless rice trails, each one more scenic than the last. It was an exhausting but absolutely fantastic day, filled with beauty at every turn. Join us next week as we wrap up our time in Ubud with even more adventures.